Today we're making Palusami, a dish popular in Fiji, Samoa, and Hawaii.
Polynesia!
Mahalo!
Cool.
First, I'm just gonna mince some garlic, dice an onion.
And I'm going to eat some Jolly Rancher.
This is like a really simple recipe. It's pretty tasty, and I think if you've like never cooked before, you can still do it. My recipe technically calls for 2, but I like garlic.
I'm doing it! Woohoo! Woo! Look at those congealed beef solids. Oh yeah!
Great band name.
Congealed beef solids.
Mm-hmm.
You ready for this?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's going, it's going.
I need some salt and pepper.
Mm-hmm.
I need it!
Okay. What's the leaf it's normally wrapped in? Taro?
Yeah, Taro.
God, I love Moana.
I've never seen it.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
No wonder. No wonder. Explain a lot.
What? I'm sorry I don't know more about Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson.
You should be.
You can give that a taste.
Don't mind if I do. Looks delicious. Pretty good. I think we use more salt though. Is it supposed to be a sweet dish?
Yeah. It's like sweet and salty. There's a couple different ways you can do this. The filling down.
Okay.
Drizzle a little bit of coconut milk over this too. The coconut milk helps to steam the leaf. Both in that corner, and that corner.
That's pretty good.
Ideally, you know, you can make it like square, kind of like a present.
Ooh, toasty. It's time
To bake.
Where's he going?
I'm baking it at 350 for 30 minutes. Now transition!
Ooh, smell good. Smell great.
It does. Let's eat it. I'm sure you're wondering why I have like a Michael Jackson glove thing going on here.
It's hot.
Yep.
Looking moist. It's basically like in its own little broth. Nice. Ooh.
Plating's the hard part.
It's so hot and bright out right now. I think if we had Taro leaf, it would probably hold together a little better.
I think it's just we waited too long.
On the Chard?
Yeah. When it's fresher, it works better. There weren't any like holes in my
Yeah.
in my Chard.
What do you think, Dan?
I think I'm ready to eat my dinner.
Yeah, dinner.
My dinner by Dennis.
Ooh.
I have this. Oh. Savory, sweet, slightly salty.
Uh-huh.
And then you just have this slight, you know, green tying it all together.
Vegetal.
Vegetal.
Herbaceous.
You know, just some slight nutritional value keeping it all together. It's delicious after a hot day of fire breathing, you know.
What?
But
Is that what you think Hawaiians do?
it's good. Right? Like how easy it is to make versus like how good it is.
Yeah. It hits you with the sweet first, and then as the coconut cream kind of melts away, you get all the savoriness.
Thanks for watching.
Yeehaw.
Subscribe for more comments about Polynesian.
Yeah.
Isn't everything like a good metal band name?
No, just the brutal stuff.
There isn't like regular named metal bands?
No. You gotta be brutal.
Brutal.